Hello, this is Carrie with Cookbook Divas and my favorite aunt blog, and I wanted to show you the toy I just got for my grandniece who loves gardening. She wants to help Daddy in the garden, so now she can. This is for ages 2 and up, and she's 18 months, but I think it'll be safe for her to play with it because there's not any pieces small enough to swallow or get in your mouth. It comes with 9 pieces. It's from Learning Resources. It's specially designed for little hands. So it comes with a watering can that you can actually fill with water and it'll squirt out. So maybe play with this outdoors or over a towel. Mix and match plants in pots. You can pull up the blue flower or the yellow flower and plant it. There's a carrot and a tomato. The 9-piece set includes watering can, 2 flowers, 3 pots, carrot, radish, shovel. Sorry, I thought that was a tomato. Garden full of surprising play. My very own garden set. It holds and pours water. It's by Learning Resources, and I hope I answered your questions. Thanks so much for watching.